Tongits is a 3-player card game where players make melds with the cards in their hands and try to score the fewest points. The game is played with a standard 52-card deck. The game starts with each player rolling a die. Whoever rolls the highest number deals first. The dealer deals the cards out one at a time, so they have 13 cards, and the other 2 players each have 12 cards. The rest of the cards are placed face down in the middle of the playing area. The dealer takes the first turn. On a player's turn, they start by drawing a card from the face down pile. They then play any melds in their hand face up in front of them. A meld is any group of 3 or 4 cards of the same number, or any group of 3 or more cards of the same suit in sequence. Players can also play 1 or more cards off of a face-up meld on the table, even if the meld was played by another player. For example, if one player places 3 4s face-up on the table, another player could play a 4th 4 off of that meld on their turn. Players end their turn by discarding a card face-up on the discard pile, which goes right next to the draw pile. Play continues around the table counterclockwise until all of the cards in the draw pile are gone or one player plays all of their cards. If the pile runs out, each player tallies up the points of the remaining cards in their hand. Face cards are worth 10 points, number cards are worth their face value, and aces are worth 1 point. The player with the least number of points wins. If a player plays all of the cards in their hand first, they call out Tongit and automatically win the game. Players can also call out draw at the beginning of their turn at any point in the game if they think their hand has the lowest point tally. If their hand does have the lowest point tally, they win. If another player challenges them and ends up having a lower point tally than they do, the player who called draw loses, and the challenging player wins. Players can't call draw if they played on one of their own melds in their previous turn, or if another player played on one of their melds since their previous turn.